Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how you can easily watch Discovery Plus through Amazon Prime Video channels. It's a simple process that gives you access to a vast array of shows and documentaries. First things first, make sure you have an active Amazon Prime account and access to the internet. Once you have that sorted, open your web browser and head over to the Amazon website. Log into your Amazon account using your credentials. Next, navigate to the Amazon Prime Video Channels section. You can usually find this in the top menu or by searching for it in the search bar. Once you're in the Channels section, look for Discovery Plus in the list of available channels. Click on the Discovery Plus channel to see more details. You'll need to subscribe to the channel to start watching the content. To subscribe, click on the Subscribe button and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. You may need to enter your payment details if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Once you've subscribed successfully, you should see a confirmation message. Now that you're subscribed, you can start watching Discovery Plus content through the Amazon Prime Video app on your preferred devices. Simply open the Amazon Prime Video app on your smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or computer. Look for the Discovery Plus channel in the app's channel lineup. You can browse through the available content and start streaming your favorite shows and documentaries. And there you have it. You're now all set to enjoy the amazing content on Discovery Plus via Amazon Prime Video channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.